Hey Porsche fans, it's Rich DelMazzio from Porsche Greenwich. Today I have another video. Enough about me, I'm sweating you know what off. So let's talk about what I have here in front of me. This is what you came here to see. 2025, brand new GT3 with manual transmission, buckets, ceramic brakes, Weissach package, Bose sound package in its glory. So if you're looking for the perfect GT3 in Lugano blue, look no further. Here it is. It's right in front of you. Gold wheels. So carbon fiber bits everywhere because it has Weissach. So with Weissach, you have carbon fiber plates there. Your hood is carbon fiber and the center is left in carbon and the rest is painted around, which is nice. You have carbon fiber side mirrors. You have a carbon fiber triangle. You have a carbon fiber roof that's painted with the carbon exposed in the center. You have a carbon fiber rear wing, not a spoiler, okay? Wings are elevated above the body. And you have carbon fiber end plates. Very nice. And this beautiful, beautiful back end. For whatever reason, this back end reminds me even more of the GT3 Cup car now. The way that these inlets are actual inlets now too, it really makes it look wider. The lower valance area and spoilers and ground effects are definitely more aggressive looking. In fact, the overall sculpture of the back end just looks much more, I don't know, business-like. Like it's here for a reason, and it's here to be even better than the predecessor, which says a lot. So, you know, if you have a 992.1 GT3, don't feel like, you know, you don't have anything that's nice. It's just taking what you have already and just accentuating and making it even better, which is what Porsche does every single time. I love the finish of these wheels. It has a bit of gloss to it as opposed to the matte finish, which we typically have seen on previous neodyme wheels. These are the forged magnesium lightweight wheels as well too. So this is pretty sweet. Ceramic brakes. Yes. Yes, yes. Now it's time to pay the bills. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more Porsche videos or even sim racing videos, that's what you'll find on my channel. So make sure you subscribe. This way you never miss a beat. Okay, you never miss a shift. Dad joke there. Yeah, let's look inside. Take a look. Oh, this one has the Born and Flocked. You can't really see it. It's hard to see, yeah. But it does have the under door puddle-light projectors. We have the carbon fiber sill plate here. There you go. You have the carbon fiber inlays on the doors with Lugano blue matching stitching. Full leather and Race Tex everywhere. Race Tex steering wheel with Lugano blue stitching. Lugano blue stitching on the top of the dashboard. Carbon fiber inlays there. And this might be the biggest star of the show. Take a look at these new buckets, okay? This is a big difference from previous GT3s that had buckets, all right? This seat is even more adjustable and usable. First off, I have to show you, I love the Porsche crest they put there. That's a nice new touch. So you still have the power up and down button, okay? We're one of the only carbon bucket seats that have power up and down, okay? You can obviously slide the seat forward and backwards. That's done manually. But take a look at this. What does this pull? Wait a second. That's not supposed to be on a carbon bucket. You have folding buckets now, okay? So yes, these cars are more expensive, but they are even more usable. And now you have the recessed areas even more so you can store more of your groceries in the back of your GT3. I'm kidding, but kudos to you if you go grocery shopping in your GT3. Leave a comment below if you have. And I don't mean just like one bag from Whole Foods, but like real grocery shopping. Let me know in the comments below. And do you go to the track and have a helmet and don't like the fact that your helmet kind of sticks out a little further. Well, push in here and look at that. Your headrest bolster comes out. So now you have even more clearance for your helmet, for your big noggin or small noggin. All right, and this just goes right back in here. Hard to do with one hand, but look at that, I did it anyway. Go me. All right, on the passenger side, and I love any time that Porsche finds a way to write 4.0. Woohoo! Lightweight glass, by the way. That isn't like regular glass. What else? Oh, here we go. No Weissach package car would be complete without a Weissach little plate. So hopefully you can see that. I'm looking at like a 1-inch screen on this little pocket mini camera, so hopefully it focused. Fire extinguisher. All right. Oh, and this is something new too. I don't remember the previous GT3 having the Porsche emblem right here under the knee pad. Pretty nice. I like that. I really feel like they did a little bit more with this car maybe than they have in the past. All right. MSRP is $294 and some change. That's not what you're going to pay. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. It is what it is. I can't talk about pricing. I'm just here to show you the car. Okay? Follow break-in program. This is probably the worst part of the car. You have to wait another 900 and something miles until you can really flog it. Even though all the cars at the Experience Center are flogged from day one. So this is the PCM system. Wonderful. Look, you even have buckets that are heated. Okay? You got your turn knob here to go to the different driving modes, sport and track. When you go to track, ECS is turned off, electronic stability control. We're not going to do that today. We're not going to even drive it in sport mode. When you do put it in sport mode, the sport exhaust does get turned on automatically. We do have front axle lift as well, okay, which makes a pretty big difference, I must say. So there you go. And then you have your assist settings. So I like the fact that you have this button where you can quickly go to those assist settings. One more time, here they are. Speed warning, warn and brake assist, and brake recommendations. You can turn those off really quickly now. And then you have your individual electronic stability control off, or electronic stability and traction control off. We've been doing this for a few years now, which is great. I love that. Porsche gives you the capabilities to really control your car. All right, now let me just show you the window sticker so this way you can see every single option that's on this one. And why not put it on the wing? Because that's where it belongs. There you go. So here are the options. So feel free to pause it here. MSRP. Awesome. Well, that does it. That's our GT3, and you like how I wore my blue Speedster shirt. It kind of matches, but not really. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Leave a comment below, and more importantly, if you want to potentially purchase this car, reach out to me. You'll find my contact information down below, and there might be a link to our website. I'm not sure if this one is on the website, but if you do see a link and the link no longer works, that means you missed out on the car. Best thing to do is just reach out to me, and this way I'll tell you yes or no, it is or isn't available. So anyway, it's nice. It's been a 9-minute video, so I think it's time to end it right here before I get to 10 minutes. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate every one of you. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, so couldn't have done it without you. Really appreciate you all. I hope you are liking the content. Really have tried stepping it up quite a bit. So we will see you in the next one. Cheers.